So friends, in this video we can see how to create the thumbnail for YouTubers, for new YouTubers who doesn't know how to create the thumbnails. See in this video, it's a very easy and best way to create the thumbnails. So we need to download it, the Pixel app from the Google, from the App Store. I already downloaded. If you not downloaded, you can see downloaded like this symbol. Once you download it, you can open this one. It's a very easy and fast way to create the thumbnails, friends. So no need to worry and tension. Once you open like this, it will be open. If you select the text, select here, you can see symbol A. You can select this one. Here edit, here we can need to mention whatever you want, you can type. Once select, you can move anywhere, you just draw like this. Copy, if you mean, it will be copy same in front. So position also you can move normal like this also, no need to this one. This option also same. So T size, text size increase or decrease. Okay, and moves left right pending. So color, which color do you want, like that. And texture, new texture select. So it will be open the gallery, whatever you want you can select from there and rotate. See, so this is how we can rotate our mouse. So font size, just select OK, then OK. So we have a lot of options here, you can select whatever it is. So once coming to the middle option, middle, so in this also import any images from your account. So I will select this one. So wherever you want you can write like that. If you want crop images, so like this. Copy also same, remaining are same option there. So if you want to add your photo also, you can add here. So very simple. So camera, if you want on direct pictures, you can take directly. So this is how. On this one is a noise, mean see different background is noise, increase, decrease, clothes, strips, lines also create. And brightness increase or decrease, reduce and increase. Use color, different colors will be changed like that. And solution like this. So once you will done, if you don't this one, if you click this one again, it will become from starting. So whenever you are going to select this one, you need to select at the first time. So once it will done, you can select like this. If you want draw any stickers also, you can See, for example, football stickers, you can like that. Emojis also, stickers. So if you want more sticker, it will be we need to buy. So this one is a free option. So once you have to create like that, so this is how you can use. Just once it will be done, you need to save this option, save, or if you want save with the share somebody else, save or save, you can click the save to gallery. It will be created by gallery. So this is how we can created the any thumbnails, friends. Thank you for watching, and please like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.